Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Okay, so I've got a question with me here where I need to find area of the shaded region over here. So all what we need to do here is to join this part. That's the first thing. Like that, okay? So if you can see, I've formed a right angle triangle inside here. And this is the triangle over here, which I need to work with. Okay, so since we've been given this statement, we know that this is the radius and this also is the radius. So this part will also be the radius, which is 6 centimeters. So I know that here it's 6 centimeters. Now what about this part? We've got a 2 centimeters here, and we know that from here to here is 6 centimeters. We just say 6 minus 2, which will give us a 4 centimeters. Meaning here it's a 4 centimeters. So now, upon getting this information, I'm going to find the height, this side, by simply using a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I'm now going to label the sides, okay, or the angles. So let me say this is my A, my C, my B here, whichever order you so wish to, okay? So this will be my small letter C, small letter B, small letter A, okay? So after now knowing or labeling, I'm going now to use this formula right over here. I guess you know the formula. So this is Pythagoras theorem. I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem to find this side. So what is my C, small letter C, A, and B? So my small letter C will be the longest side. Okay, this is the longest side, the hypotenuse. It will be 6 squared. Okay, and then here equal to, here my small letter A will be what I'm looking for. I will maintain it. My B will be 4 power 2. And then I work out things. We have 36 is equal to A power 2 plus 16. So now grouping the like terms, I'm going to get A power 2, which is equal to 20. This will be 20, okay? Because if I say 36 minus 16, it would I'll get a 20, of which I need to find the square root. In order to get rid of this power 2, I have A is equal to 4.47 centimeters. So I've just found this side, 4.47, okay? To find the angle, okay? So we need now to find the angle. So which angle are we looking for? We're looking for this angle. To find this angle, we're going to use SOHCAHTOA. So let me just write the SOHCAHTOA here. SOHCAHTOA. So we need to find this angle using SOHCAHTOA. So I can use this side and the angle here and the hypotenuse. I will use these three. So meaning it will be sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to, what is my opposite? It's 4.47 over, what is my hypotenuse? It's a 6. So we shall say theta is equal to sine inverse of everything here, 4.47 over 6. So what is the sine inverse? Remember, we are doing radian measures. So you must make sure that your calculator is not in degrees. It must be in radians. So make sure it's in radians. So it will be sine inverse over 4.47 over 6. So my answer will be 0.84. So the angle here, theta, is equal to 0.84. This is in radians. So I'll say rad to show that it's in radians. So I've found my angle to be 0.84. Remember, people, I'm reminding you that these are radians. It's not degrees. So once we get that, we now find the area. Okay? So we need to find two areas. We are going to first find, we know that the angle here is 0.84. So we shall find the area, okay, of the entire sector. So let's start with the area of the entire sector. Or if you want, we can start with the triangle and then we come to the entire sector. Okay, let's just work out the triangle. So we know that area of the triangle is 1/2 BH, this right angle triangle. So it will be like this. So what is my B? It's a 4 times my height there. It's my height is 4.47. So we punch on our calculator 4 times 4.47. That is giving it's giving us 17.88. We divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, we're getting a 8.94. So this is what we are getting, centimeters squared. So this is the area over this triangle. So let me write it here. 8.94. This is the area, okay? So after finding the area of this triangle, we now come and find the area of the sector, including the shaded region, this part here. So this will be a sector. So for a sector in radians, when you want to find area of a sector in radians, you just say area is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. So it will be 1/2 times what is our radius? Okay? What is the radius? Actually, this sector is supposed to be like this. Okay? Because this is where B is. And this is where 2 centimeters is. So meaning from here to here, it will be 6. Like from here to here, 6 centimeters. So our radius is 6 squared times what is an angle there? It's 0.84. Remember, the calculator must always be in radians when dealing with this topic. Okay? So when I multiply everything here on top, I'm getting a 30.24 divide by 2. When I divide by 2, my answer is coming out to be 15.12. So this is 15.12 centimeters. It's for the entire sector. Now to find for this part which is shaded, this part right here, I'm just going to say this minus this, meaning the area of the entire sector, which is this one, minus the area of the right angle triangle here. So when I subtract 8.94 from this, I'm getting a 6. Let me write it here now. This is 6.180 centimeters squared. So this is our answer. It's the area of the shaded region. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've gotten 1 or 2 things out of this video. I really thank the support that you're giving me out. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section, like, and also share the video.